Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SafePal app for wallet creation and recovery. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the SafePal app on your mobile device. If you're a new user, select the option for wallet creation. For existing users, tap on the recovery option. Read through the welcome instructions and tap Get Started. Choose between the software wallet or hardware wallet based on your preference. If you select software wallet, follow the prompts for setting up a new wallet. Create a strong password and confirm it in the provided field. Next, the app will generate a recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet. Make sure to write it down and store it in a safe place. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. After recording the phrase, return to the app. The app will prompt you to verify the recovery phrase. Carefully enter the words in the correct order. Once verified, you'll proceed to the wallet dashboard. If you are recovering an existing wallet, enter your recovery phrase instead. Follow the prompts to complete the recovery process. You should now have access to your wallet. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. Secure your wallet by enabling any additional security measures. Congratulations, your SafePal wallet is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.